Set logo. In the programming interface, select an input signal. Click the menu button to the right of the input source name and select Set Logo to enter the logo setting interface. Click the switch button to turn on the logo function. Each series supports the use of text or image as logos. Text logo. Enter the text content displayed by the logo in content. X and Y can set the horizontal and vertical coordinates of the logo respectively, and the size of the logo can be set by adjusting the width and height. The font, size, and color of the text can be set. Tick the checkbox in front of the BKG color to set the background color and opacity of the text logo. After all settings are completed, click OK to complete the text logo setting. Image logo. Tick the checkbox in front of the image to switch to the image logo mode. Click Browse. Select the image file. Set the coordinates position and opacity of the image logo, and click OK to complete the image logo settings.